Guys, please keep in mind the text boxes that will appear in the video.
Guys, this took me a really long time to do, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do it so you don't have to suffer like me. So you have to take your ESP32 camera, right? Take a female to female jumper wire and then connect the GPIO 0, right, with the ground. So after that, after doing this, you should connect it with the USB cable and then apply the following settings. Go to your Arduino IDE, take this code along with the other files, right. Then you select the ESP32 rover module, right, from here, board rover module. You can select your port, then you can flash frequency, flash mode, apply the following settings, and then voila, your file should work. Yep. And also select the camera module AI thinker. So that's all you need to do. Thank you guys, and this is it guys. Then you will just upload it and it will upload it. But before you run the actually we want to use the program, remember to open the jumper wires like this, obviously. So that's it. I'm going to read you out the settings once more. Board this, select your port, ESP32 over module, none, this disabled. Flash frequency, you can actually try it with 80 millihertz, but I have tried it with 40. Flash mode QIO, partition scheme, this is very important. Huge app, and this is also very important. Upload speed has to be 115200. And that's it guys, thank you. That's it for this video. It's a really quick video. Thank you guys, bye bye.